It just landed at the Nagpur airport. It's around 5:30 in the evening and the temperature is a scorching 38 degrees. We now embark on a long journey, 161 kilometers from here to reach the constituency of Mr. Praful Patel in Bhandara and Gondia. In fact, he's been the civil aviation minister for a long time, yet the closest airport from his constituency is this Nagpur airport. And the only way to reach his ancestral home in Gondia is to take the road.
वहाँ से लेफ्ट टर्न हो जाना सीधा गोंदिया।
भाई जी को मिलना हमको वहाँ से।
गोंदिया
ये पूरा एरिया उनका है।
नाम चलता है उनका।
ऐसा क्यों?
बहुत अच्छा आदमी है।
After travelling close to 100 kilometers, we finally catch up with the minister.
चलो ठीक है।
Amidst heavy security, Praful Patel, a four-time Member of Parliament, makes his way through the thousands that have assembled for the evening sabha. One hour later, the last sabha of the day is over and the convoy leaves for the district party headquarters in the minister's hometown, Gondia.
Bye bye. Yeah. Yeah.
काजी निवडणूक राहिल्यावर येते असं काम नाही
असं काय काय दररोज मी येऊ शकतील का येते ना
आमच्याकडे लक्ष ठेवा निवडून आल्यावर
आता ठेवू ना नक्कीच ठेवू
आम्ही तुमचे खास फ्रेंड आम्ही
चला
क्या कर रहे थे?
नहीं जस्ट कीप हमारा ख्याल रखो ये रखो दैट्स राइट दीस थिंग्स यू हैव टू आई मीन व्हाट एल्स विल शी टॉक विद मी शी विल ओनली टॉक समथिंग लाइक दैट कामाला लागा बाबा हां नाही टेंशन कसं.
At the party office, there is a horde of visitors waiting for Bhaiji. Inside the office, the minister plans his campaign for the following day.
So tomorrow we'll go from Gondia, we'll drive this way.
So we do make a stop here at these small villages,
We
which
come
are
from here and then Hardbori.
okay, Hardbori. Okay,
And then you can go back.
and then
And I will come back this way.
घर में पिछले 15-20 दिन से ऑफिस चालू
मेरे को मालूम है
नहीं,
वो
ऑफिस
बोला है,
चालू,
रोज
आपकी
शाम
विजिट चाहिए आपको।
रोज शाम को गरम गरम
नहीं,
भजिया
गरम-
बनाते हैं। Okay, good night. Good morning. How are you?
told you go straight to your mandir, is it?
Yes,
Okay.
For Praful Patel, the day begins early. A visit to the temple in his house is followed by a quick audience with well-wishers and natives from his constituency.
क्षेत्रों में जितना है वो हम काम कर रहे हैं और हमारा कहना यही है कि ऊपर क्या होता है इससे हमारा लेना देना नहीं, हमारे लिए हमारे भाई साहब हैं और पूरा देश है।
A place where he started his political career in 1985 as the president of the Municipal Council. While the minister gets busy in a closed-door meeting, his wife, Varsha, who visits the constituency every month, gives us an insight into the Patel household.
My husband have a very small family. He's the only child of his parents. Parents, I mean to say parents means his father and 3 wives. Yes.
Three wives?
Yes, 3 wives. And of course my father-in-law passed away
Long
when he
back.
was 13-year-old. He was 13 when he passed away. So he's the only child. I have 3 girls. 2 are married, settled down with their family. Younger one is with me.
Younger one is Purna,
Purna,
who's there in the
yes.
IPL.
Yes. And my son, he's 22. He just finished his BA in economics.
Sir is on beside me.
Sir is gone.
He's gone.
Come.
भैया आप लोग भी खा पी लो, नहीं तो बाद में फिर एक दो प्लेटों में और डालते जाओ ना, वो लोग और आएंगे ना। आया भाभी को बुला लो। अरे सुनो, चलो चटनी वटनी बनाओ। पोहा डालो इसमें।
While breakfast is laid out, he squeezes time out for a quick interview with a TV channel.
यूजली किस तरह का प्रचार अभी जैसे हम साथ में बैठ के नाश्ता कर रहे हैं तो कैसे दिन भर क्या
I think we should now stop for a minute, please. Now we stop for a minute. First,
And soon it's time to hit the road.
कब वी आर विथ यू, नहीं तो लगेगा पुराने लोग अपने कहाँ चले गए यार। ये सब चुनाव में मत बोल यार। चुनाव के बाद एक दिन आ जाना तो फट से कर दूंगा। चुनाव में मुश्किल होता है ना, मेरे लिए भी।
फॉलो कर लेना।
Praful Patel is in the midst of a hectic campaign schedule. And his first stop is at the Manohar Bhai Patel College of Engineering and Technology, an institution his late father helped set up.
They have their own video conferencing, lectures or whatever they want to do. Come.
Wrapping up a few more interviews, the convoy makes its way towards Sakoli, a tehsil of the Bhandara Gondia district, where the Rashtravadis have planned a door-to-door campaign.
Grown up from Gondia, so every vacation we used to spend here, time here. In my childhood, I gone on shikar also, of course, not with my father, but with some local people. Because those days, shikar was not banned. Of course, I wouldn't subscribe to it after growing up. येणाऱ्या 10 तारखेला आपल्याला एक या जिल्ह्याच्या भविष्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला विचार करायचा आहे. तरुण पिढीच्या भविष्याच्यासाठी विचार करायचा आहे.
Mr. Patel, while moving in his constituency in Gondia, Bhandara actually enjoys a Z+ category security. And what you see is this is one of those vans. Just like this, there are 3 other vans that keep him everywhere, wherever he goes in this Naxalite affected area.
Next, Praful Patel decides to stop at a temple in the village.
This is being made by MP Land. This place, what you see, the Sambar Mandal.
As in this temple?
Outside, not the temple. This place, what you see. येणाऱ्या 10 तारखेला देशाच्या लोकसभेची निवडणूक होणार आहे.
Party chief breaks up 2002 every
Exactly. The two. That is what I said. In fact, when I said you only media carried the first part of it. The second part was that there is a perception about 2002 riots, which is very different from the fact that the courts are giving a clean chit. So the fact of the matter is that perception is what people look at.
Let me get you on record, sir. In the upcoming state elections of Maharashtra. Will the NCP tie up with the BJP and the MNS to form a government?
How can we do that? We are in an alliance with the Congress and we continue to do so.
Thank you, sir.
ये बेटा होय तर पाण्याची सोय करू ना बाई
नदीचं पाणी पिवा लागते
नदीनं पाणी पिवं लागते चल ठीक आहे तुला दुरुस्त करू
क्या कह रही
गंदा पानी
नदी
पीना
का
पड़ेगा.
पानी पीना पड़ता है वाटर स्कीम करा छोटा ये अलग हेमलेट है 20 गाँव का 20 घरों का कैसे होएगा अरे वाह 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 सरपंच साहेब या असे जवळ या ना फोटो काढता चला हां नमस्कार लक्षात ठेवा This is a watermelon which is reduced here and this is going to be exported to Dubai.